We got two wells done, 3 wells to go, and then we'll see where we get to. But at the moment, all systems go. Things are going well. Weather's cooperated. Prices are up. So yeah, no, we're in a really good spot at the moment.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Nostra Terra Oil and Gas Company CEO, Paul Welsh. Paul, very good to speak with you. You're on with news today that you've renewed your $10 million senior lending facility for another 3 years. So it gives you some headroom as you continue to grow your production.
That's correct. Yeah, no, we were really happy to get it done. So it came due actually today, and so we were happy that our lender Wafid, who holds the whole note, was happy to extend it for another 3 years. It's a $10 million credit facility. We have about 4.25 drawn on it, so we've got a lot of headroom should we need to do anything with it. So we're pretty excited. The interest rates are really good. It's a 7.5 coupon rate. So as our production continues to grow, even though we have a large amount drawn on it, it's part of our cash flow. It's not that as important as it was in the past. So we're happy, very happy to have access to it.
Paul, you presented at the Proactive One-to-One Investor Forum earlier this month, and there you really highlighted the progress that you've made. Is this reflected in the loan facility because you applied for this back in December?
Yeah, so the borrowing base determination was done as of 1 December, and the majority of the workovers that we had kind of completed weren't included. So, when we redo this in 6 months' time, every 6 months we get a kind of a redetermination done. We expect it'll grow. So the facility itself is really based on kind of pre-workover production numbers, but because the production is up 60% and actually probably a little bit more now. We think that the borrowing base will increase substantially from where we are at the moment, which is an important thing. But borrowing base aside, we're really more focused on generating cash and increasing production, and so that continues the pace. But the borrowing base is a nice thing to have behind us. It's a 3-year facility because we got plenty of running room. And again, if we see an acquisition or we want to do something, we can go ahead and do it. So there's no real strings attached to it. We just have to find an opportunity if we want to sell it. At the moment, we don't have any real intents to draw on it because we are generating cash. And if anything, we probably pay down a little bit of the debt before we did anything, unless it was some kind of like outstanding acquisition or something that we came across. But at the moment, it's kind of there. It's stable. It's at a relatively good rate, and so we're just happy to get it renewed for 3 years.
Paul, how's the work program going at the moment?
So the work program is going well. Phase 1 is done, as we discussed at the Proactive thing. We're on to Phase 2. We've got 2 wells done in Phase 2, and those wells will be on. One should be on at the end of this week, and then we're going to pause for about a week or so here, maybe 10 days, and catch up on other things in the field. So as we've had the field guys working literally 24/7 on these workovers. There's little niggles and things that have to get done, workovers that we need to do from just general maintenance, things that were kind of neglected, in the previous administration. So we're gonna get after those, get everything up and running, and then we'll continue on with the workover program. And at the moment, things are going well. Like I said, we got two wells done, 3 wells to go, and then we'll see where we get to. But at the moment, all systems go. Things are going well. Weather's cooperated. Prices are up. So yeah, no, we're in a really good spot at the moment. Thanks.
Well, Paul, I hope you'll keep us posted on any progress as the year continues. Thank you very much for the update today.
All right. Thank you. Thanks for asking. I appreciate it. Good to see everyone. Take care.
And you, that's Paul Welsh, the CEO of Nostra Terra Oil and Gas Company.